Hi, my name is Young, and I want to welcome you to the Super Trade Exchange. You've just made one of the best decisions to help bring in new customers and save your cash. Now that you're a member, we just want to make sure that you understand the process. We also want to ensure there is absolutely no confusion and that you feel confident in making trades on the exchange. For example, you do understand that the transactions on Super Trade Exchange are done with trade dollars, otherwise known as superbucks, right? So maybe you're a painter and you're selling your painting services on the exchange to a florist who is redecorating her shop. You normally charge $40 an hour for your services. So you list 10 hours of your labor on the exchange for 400 superbucks, which will be your form of payment. Transactions are approved by calling the 866-988-TRADE phone number. The automated phone payment system will walk you through the entire transaction process. Once approved, the superbucks will be deposited into your Super Trade Exchange account. In turn, you will use those superbucks to make purchases on the exchange to help offset some of your existing expenses, such as locksmith services, accounting, or a print job. So you can see in that example, we brought you a new customer who you would never have had outside of the exchange. And with the trade dollars you earn through the exchange, you can afford to get that lock repaired on your front door, allowing you to save a couple $100s in cash to pay for things like rent and utilities. To check your account, simply log into supertradeexchange.com and log in with your username and password. Go to the My Account link on the left-hand side of the web page. Under this link, you will see all your account information: your Super Trade Exchange account number, your balance, your business description, listings, and much more. When you need something and are ready to buy a product or service, visit supertradeexchange.com. On the left-hand side, there is a link to the marketplace. Here, you can do a search for what you need, or do a simple search to see what's available in your area. Just enter your zip code and a radius for a nearby business. Monthly maintenance fees may apply, and there is a 5% transaction fee. This transaction fee applies anytime you make a trade. In other words, it applies when you buy or sell something through the exchange. So going back to the previous example, when you sell your painting services for 400 superbucks, you will be charged a 5% transaction fee, or $20. And when you're ready to buy the locksmith service for 200 superbucks, you will be charged a 5% transaction fee, or $10 in cash. Super Trade Exchange has partnered with iTex, making us the largest barter network in the country. So potentially, you could be getting a call from either a Super Trade Exchange or an iTex member who wants to do business with you on the exchange. I hope this helped answer any questions you may have had. If you do ever have questions, please feel free to call 866-988-TRADE. I'd like to end this segment with one of our client testimonials. And before I leave you, I want to again welcome you to the Super Trade Exchange and hope you find this program to be a tremendous benefit to your business.
Our bungalows were built in the 1930s. They're 80 years old. We understand that they were army barracks off of Egmont Key that were barged in. They're completely restored. Well, one of the things I love about Bungalow Beach is greeting the guests and greeting the families and seeing them have a relaxing and enjoyable time, whether it's a romantic getaway or it's a birthday celebration or a family reunion. I heard about Super Trade Exchange when one of the representatives called me and said that they had a potential client or a potential guest that wanted to come and stay with us, and they explained the benefits and asked me if I would like to join in as a member. IDARC was very helpful in the trading process. My representative was Cheryl, and Cheryl answered all of my questions. She was always responsive. She sent back emails, and she guided us through the whole way. I feel like the Super Trade Exchange program is very valuable in this economy because you're first saving cash, which is very important in this economy. Second, you're meeting new clientele and new guests, which is very important. And third, you're moving inventory, products, or goods or services that you might not otherwise be able to do. I was very surprised when we joined Super Trade Exchange and we were first listed, because the activity was quite surprising in the number of reservations that we received, and in the just the camaraderie that we felt among the other Super Trade Exchange members being business to business. Since Bungalow Beach has joined Super Trade Exchange, we've completed approximately 45 trades over the last couple months, which is a lot for our little resort. We're only 15 boutique bungalows, and that's a lot for us to receive that many reservations, and we couldn't be more pleased.